Decoding Digital Wealth, 7 Passive Income Truths for 2026. Look, you want passive income, right? We all do. The absolute dream is making money while you sleep, travel, or just hang out with your family. But let's be real, the internet is completely flooded with illusions right now. Everywhere you look, fake gurus are selling snake oil and these totally impossible promises. So today, we are cutting through the noise to decode the actual truth behind digital wealth.
Okay, let's dive into this shocker right away. You constantly hear influencers claiming they make $100,000 in a single week, right? Well, here is a massive reality check. Public corporate records actually show that one prominent financial guru's core retail business only grew its balance sheet by 34,630 pounds. And get this, that tiny growth took 19 whole years to achieve. That is nearly 2 decades of work for a fraction of what they claim to make in a single week. Crazy, isn't it?
Section 1, Traditional Market Asset Returns. So, are you ready to see where real, sustainable wealth actually comes from? Let's get right into our first category of data-backed income streams. These methods rely entirely on established traditional markets rather than online hype.
Idea number 1 is dividend stocks. Now, true passive income is literal money flowing directly into your bank account without you ever needing to sell the underlying asset. You basically just buy a chunk of a solid, profitable company. And to keep you happy as an investor, that company pays you a share of their corporate profits directly. Sounds pretty great on paper, doesn't it?
Well, let's break down the concrete math behind this method. Imagine you want to make a steady $100 a week from a dividend stock like Starbucks. Starbucks yields around 2.4% annually. To actually hit that weekly goal, you need exactly $26,666 invested. Right now, so here's the reality check for you. Do you actually have that much cash just sitting around?
If you don't have that cash, let's just skip right ahead to idea number 4 on our list, private angel investing. You can act completely like a shark in this scenario. You basically offer upfront cash in exchange for a permanent piece of a business's profits plus a regular scheduled payout. Would you risk some capital if it meant buying future cash flow at a steep discount?
The cool thing is, you don't necessarily need a massive $100,000 for this setup. Negotiating a smart $5,000 investment in a trusted local business can easily yield a $100 weekly dividend. You just help them upgrade their physical equipment, and they steadily pay you back from their resulting growth. The returns here can be incredibly powerful.
Section 2. Building automated digital empires. But how can you build wealth if you don't have thousands sitting in the bank right now? The answer is using immense digital leverage. We're going to explore exactly how you can build these automated digital empires from scratch.
Let's circle back to idea number 2, automating a side hustle. Just think about a physical skill you already possess. Take a guy who is incredibly great at training highly energetic dogs, for example. Right now, his active income is strictly capped by the hours in his day. But if he turns that physical dog training skill into a scalable digital course, boom, that income instantly becomes entirely passive.
Let's keep the math super punchy and straightforward here. If you logically price your digital product at $25, you only need 4 sales a week to hit your $100 goal. The internet is comprised of literally billions of daily active users around the globe. Can you find just 4 people a week on the entire internet who desperately need your exact skill? I bet you can.
Moving on to idea number 3, making online content. Look, traditional media is losing ground incredibly fast to everyday, regular creators like you and me. You can easily grab a lucrative piece of that massive advertising pie, but you have to know the new rules of the game. So, what does it take to actually get monetized these days?
Here is the exact 2026 YouTube monetization metric you must hit. You need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in 90 days to unlock full ad revenue. I know, it sounds like a truly mountainous task at first glance. However, with modern faceless channels and powerful AI automation tools speeding up production, savvy creators are consistently hitting this exact target in just 3 to 6 short months.
Jumping to idea number 6, creating a digital tool or software subscription. For this one, you just need to spot problems that businesses desperately need solved. And guess what? You don't even need to be a software coder yourself. You just need to be the strategic idea person who partners directly with a skilled developer to fix a massive gap in the current market.
This setup brilliantly illustrates the undeniable power of subscriptions. At just $20 a month, finding a mere 20 customers nets you a highly predictable $100 every single week, and this reliable cash flow happens entirely while you sleep.
Do you see how small online numbers add up incredibly quickly when they automatically recur month after month? Section 3. Low capital, cash flow. Now, do you want methods that require absolutely zero upfront money to start generating immediate cash flow? Let's transition right into these highly accessible strategies.
Backtracking to idea number 5, affiliate marketing. Get this, one person made an astonishing $300 in a single afternoon just by texting a simple bank promotion link to their personal friends. You basically just recommend useful products you already genuinely love. From there, you get a direct financial kickback for every single resulting sale. It really is a remarkably simple and friction-free process.
The baseline data here is pretty wild. You might start small at first, but the average active affiliate marketer earns $66,900 a year. And the top earners? They effortlessly scale that up to $124,000 annually. The best part is they achieve all of this robust income without manufacturing, shipping, or holding any physical inventory whatsoever. Sounds like a sweet deal, right?
Our final idea, number 7, is renting out your stuff. Think deeply for a second about what hidden assets are sitting entirely unused in your home right now. It could be an expensive camera gathering dust, an empty spare bedroom, or even a vacant garage. Did you know these dormant items actually hold massive daily value?
Here is a brilliant, concrete example directly from the sources. One clever operator makes $140 a week simply by renting out 2 empty driveway spaces near a busy train station for $70 each. They literally do absolutely nothing. They just sit inside their warm house while eager daily commuters happily pay them to park. The asset completely monetizes itself.
Section 4. The ultimate golden rule. So how can you actually turn these isolated side hustle ideas into lifelong, unbreakable generational wealth? Well, it all firmly comes down to understanding one ultimate golden rule.
The crucial point is this mathematically proven wealth framework. Exactly 50% of your income goes straight to life essentials. 15% is carved out for stability and emergency savings. 10% is reserved for lifestyle rewards and fun. But the most vital slice, a strict 25% must go directly into long-term asset growth. This 25% slice is what actually builds your financial fortress over time.
Let's see exactly how this builds your future. You take the new cash flow pouring in from your digital side hustles and immediately funnel it right into the wider market. Consistently investing $1,000 every single month into a broad market index fund like the S&P 500 over 28 years is the true secret behind the curtain. The real question is, do you have the discipline to stick to this exact roadmap?
Because that $1,000 a month passively and quietly compounds into well over $1 million. Literally. So now that you know it mathematically yields over $1 million, will you stop chasing the illusion and start building real wealth today?